Akash here, and I'm back with another video. This time we are looking at another photo editing app that will allow you to edit your pictures in a super dope way. So without any further ado, tech vibes are loading in just 3, 2, 1 and go. The app that I will review today is none other than VSCO Cam. You can call it VSCO and whatever you wanna call it, but it will not affect your editing game. So talking about this app, it has many presets available that are free to use, and some of them are paid, but the free ones are also pretty good and done all that job to make your clicks eligible for likes and tons of comments on Instagram. Apart from the preset, this app has many other options for a perfect editing app like exposure control, contrast, saturation, and many other library widget also. So all over, this app gives you all that feature to allow you to be a very good photo editor. And one more thing that I want to tell you is it allows to make your own recipe. I know it sounds awkward for editing app. This all means that you can save your own edit style. I mean, you can make your own preset that you can save, and you can apply on any other photo of a competitor in this field. And so with that said, this is Akash signing out. I will surely catch you guys in the next one. Peace.